Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to cancel MGM Plus subscription. So this is a step-by-step guide, so simply follow along. So guys, first thing that you will do is go to your device settings, and then after that, tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. And then after that, choose the subscription option. And then after that, you will get a list of all of your active subscriptions. And underneath, you will see all of the expired ones. And guys, you can also see the dates when will be the next payment due to be taken from your account. So guys, tap on MGM under the active subscription section. And then after that, you will have an option to cancel subscription. And after that, a pop-up will come up and just tap on confirm cancellation. And then after that, guys, you'll not be charged anymore. And then you can use the application until the subscription date was originally due. And also, deleting MGM app or your MGM account will not cancel your subscription. And the subscription renew automatically unless you cancel your subscription manually on your own. And there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya.